Do you like this project? Do you like to make exactly the same as I did with all the materials and all the embellishments and ribbons and flowers, etc. that I used? Then check it out what's in the kit and get it fast because it will be gone in no time. At least I hope. Alright, send me an email if you are interested in this kit and I will see your message through my email. Bye bye. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what everything is inside the kit. Okay, first of all, of course, the chipboard is inside. A little welcome note always, but all the measurements will be given during the tutorials. You don't need this little list. Everything is going to be given. I have added a tie-vac envelope. I use it in my project. Not particularly necessary that you need it specially, but I will explain everything in the tutorial, but I just added one. Then I also have a clear sheet for the big pocket. Then of course my basic background. This pack has 54 sheets, 9 double-sided, so you have 6 sheets of each, so that is plenty. I kept one set that I did not use, but there were plenty papers. Then you have the 8x8 paper pack of the Alchemy of Art. Simple, beautiful, amazing. I really liked it. And then of course also you have the cut apart. So plenty beautiful images, and you saw that in the album, how gorgeous that all is. Then of course there is a ribbon set, and not to forget the lace set, plenty. And we have the frames and the bronze big elements, a big bag of all the goodies that I used, and of course not to forget the flower set. And that everything is in this kit. Be quick, it's gonna be fast. So do you like to make exactly the same album as you just saw? Then give me a message through my email. The email address is to be found below this video in the description box. Just send me an email, guys, and you will have one. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.